Hello, hello. So today we are making this really cute little sign with a Dollar Tree cutting board. Super duper easy to make, so let's get started. For this project, we are using the waterslide paper. Now, I know a lot of you may be concerned that you don't have a silhouette or you don't know how to use the design, but if you have Inkscape, which is free, you can go to Inkscape. I will put the link in the description box below, and you can resize images, and there are many YouTube videos that will help you with these. But come January, I am going to have a membership website where I will be putting kits together, and I will be teaching classes at a place, and some of you that are local that can come and do crafts with me, or you can join us live. So I'm working on that right now, and you'll be able to purchase everything together. So that's what I'm working on, and all of you can join in so you don't have to just watch anymore. So this one here, I believe, is on white paper. I know, right? I forget because I do some on clear and some on white, and I will know when I put it in the water automatically. But again, there is clear, which is my favorite, but I'm starting to like the white, maybe because I'm working with it a little bit more. And these links are in the description box below. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, well, I can find it cheaper somewhere else. Good luck. I live in Chicago. We have lots and lots of stores, and for the $15 with the free shipping, by the time I spent my gas looking for it, I just have it shipped through Amazon. And again, for those of you that have an EBT card or a medical card, you can get Amazon Prime for $5.99. I think that is like so great because my son just bought it for me for Christmas, and it was $120. But to get things shipped for free, I love it. So these are actually in the description box below, and I get my clear gloss at Walmart. Now, it sells out really, really fast. I got the last 2 cans last time. This is a really popular item in the crafting industry. Everybody uses it to put a clear glaze over different things. So these are only $4, but if you can't find them, again, the link is in the description, and I've had cans delivered to me right from Amazon as well. Okay, so we are going to work on this, but this is our little board that we are going to be working on from Dollar Tree. How cute are these? And we can make so many fun things with these. So today what we're going to do is we are going to use this for a holiday one, but I might just do a couple of different ones with these as well so that you can see, you can make teacher gifts, you can put up like, make a chalkboard out of this, and you can put maybe a water slide or a vinyl or a heat transfer, and you can put days till vacation. There's all kinds of fun things that you can do on these. So you also don't want to miss out because we are going to be doing the water slide paper on these. And you know why? Because they are transparent. So when you put those lights in here, you're going to see your image, whatever it is, whether it's a photo of a family member or maybe a cute little Santa Claus with the reindeers going up and the lights in there. So these I do get at Hobby Lobby. You have to watch. They do have their glass sale. So this one was $9.99 at 50% off. I got it for $5. They are heavy. You will need to think about that if you wanted to do shipping on these. They're going to be a little expensive, but they will be so reasonably priced. So even if you did them for $25 and you shipped it for $8 or $9, you would still make some money on these. So they're really, really cute too. They're heavy. So we have a lot of fun projects coming up. You want to make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss anything. So the other thing that I got is these from Hobby Lobby. So they are $2.99, and all they are the tree branches. Now, I have seen these at Dollar Tree. I even bought some. I don't know where they're at right now, but I have bought some, and they sell out fast. So we are using the ones from Hobby Lobby, but you can also use this rope from Dollar Tree. So there's a variety of things that you can use with this, and I'm just going to show you how to do it today with this since we are doing our little Christmas theme. And what you could do as well is you could make this double-sided. So if you wanted to, you could put Christmas on one side, the ho-ho on the other, and you can flip it over if you wanted. All you would have to do is either twine your rope together or twine your branches together and add glue on each side to have it hold up. So it'd be really, really cute even as a reversible one. Okay, so let's get started on this one. So again, when I cut this, I am going to know whether it is white or whether it is clear when it comes off of the paper. So all I'm going to do is first I'm going to just cut it in half so that I have And again, I really like those scrapbook cutters, you know, where you put the sheet in there and you get a straight cut. I put the link below because I really like to work with that, but for this project, I'm just using scissors. So what I'm going to do is, because this has got a nice fat outline, I'm actually going to outline this whole thing so that it just matches what I got going on here. Okay? So we're just going to try and get it as close as we possibly can. And I could easily just put this on my silhouette if I wanted, and I could cut it out. But for the sake of this video, because a lot of you don't have that option, I just wanted to show you how I would do it by hand if I were to cut it. So this project might take you 15 minutes, and you can make some really cute gifts. I have ceramic tile coming up with baby gifts. So you don't want to miss this, because this isn't just for the holidays. This is for any time of the year. And I apologize, I was missing because I got the flu really bad. I was sick for 6 days, to the point of almost having to go to the emergency room. I was so sick. My son was so worried about me, but I just kept saying, let me hang in just a little longer, and here I am back again. So when I'm missing, it's usually because I'm not feeling well. So there you go. How it was easy, right? So now I have a bigger bowl this time, of course, because my transfer is a little bit bigger. So we're just going to submerge it in there. And remember, we need a good 40 seconds, if not more. So I have my paper towel because that's what we use to get the bubbles out, and you need that. So don't forget that, because sometimes I do forget it. Now, the difference between the white and the clear, as I've explained in many of my videos, is that the clear seems to slide off the paper much easier than this one. So this one, because this is a larger area, and this is like a wood surface, so I'm not really going to worry like a ceramic would be with fingerprints, but I'm going to peel this off really easy, and I'm going to just kind of plop it on there. So look at how easy that was. Now, be very careful that you don't tear it. Now, when you spray this on, I want to tell you, especially with the white, you need to spray it like 4 times, at least, if not more. 5 tops, only because you want that coating on there so that it doesn't tear on you. Okay, so now we have this on, and now we need to work out all the bubbles. Okay, you'll see the bubbles in there, and you just work out all the bubbles. Now this one here, I've had people ask me, why aren't you baking ornaments and things like that? Well, because you're not going to wash it. So the reason that I personally don't bake my ornaments or, you know, just certain things like this is because unless you're using it all the time and you're washing it, I wouldn't think that it's necessary to bake it. But you can also use a blow dryer. So look at how nice and smooth and clean and pretty and easy. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for Inkscape, and it's free. You can resize these images from Creative Fabrica. And yes, this is one of their little designs that you can get. And they have a special right now through the holidays. So let me just make sure that I am even. Okay, so I'm even. Look how quick that was. We're all done. And I am going to use one of these. But I just wanted to show you real quickly, if I wanted to, I can simply just use the rope from Dollar Tree. And how cute is that with the rope? It's just as cute with the rope, okay? So I just wanted to show you that, and that's from Dollar Tree as well. So now let's move this aside a little bit, and we are going to just see if this is the perfect length or if we want to cut it. Now, look, it's the perfect length. We don't even have to cut it. So I'm going to do it about right there. So it's nice and even, and I think I'm going to add a piece across the top just to give it a little bit of decoration, and I might even add a little bow on there at the top, okay? So we're going to use what we have, and I'm going to figure out where I want it. So I think about right there. I'm a pretty good estimator. I don't know where I got that from, but I can hang pictures like a champ. Okay, so we're going to put that on there. We're going to press it really hard. So I would say I'm about 1 inch in if I were to estimate where the wire is right here. And then we're going to put this one here. These would be so adorable to sell at a craft show. Super easy to make. You can sell them for $6 or $7. And They're not expensive, and you find stuff like this at Pier 1 around the holidays. Okay, so I just want to dress up mine a little bit more, and you don't have to do that. You can leave it just like this if you want. I just thought it might be cute to add just a few little things on it. I did get these cute little wreaths from Hobby Lobby. So let's see. I can do that. I do want to add one across here. I just thought it would be kind of just to decorate it a little bit. I don't want it to go all the way, so I'm going to cut it. And I'm just going to add some glue across the top here. You don't have to do it this way. You can do whatever you want to do. I always tell everyone that, because a lot of people will say, why didn't you do it this way? Because I'm not you. I do it my way. You do it your way. That's the way it works. Okay, so now we are all done. And if I wanted to, oh, I kind of like that. I have this little bow that I made. Look, I made this little bow. I bought this ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and I was trying to make little miniature wreaths, and it did work. But I am going to use this, and it's the same little greenery that we're using. So I'm just going to clip this off, both sides. So sometimes I just kind of wing things as I'm going. And I'm just going to put this right here. I think it's kind of cute, just right here. Okay, super duper easy to make. How cute is that? As a little gift. I mean, there's so many people that love, oops, my little wreath is caught on my greenery there. Look how cute, and how simple is that? This whole thing probably cost, I want to glue this up a little bit more. So that's one thing I notice when I do things, is I like everything to be even. Because I do notice on projects when things are a little crooked. That's just me. Okay, so we have it all finished. And if we wanted to, like I said, we could put the ho 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 on this side. Where do we put it? Right here. We could put this one on this side, and we can add a few little bows here, and we can have a double-sided sign. So how cute is this? And like I said, you can do this for any occasion. You can do a kitchen theme. You can do a bathroom scene. You can do a kid's name on here. There's so many things that you can do with these little boards from Dollar Tree. So I am going to post all the links below for everything that you need in the description box. And again, the water slide paper is available at Amazon. It's the best price that you can get. And don't forget, we have a lot more fun projects coming up. And if you're looking for this design, it is posted below. They now have a special for because of the holidays. I believe it's $18 unlimited on everything on their site. $18 a month for like 50,000 designs and fonts, and you can't beat that because everybody's buying like one for $3 and $5. When you can get 50,000 designs, you can start your own little business. So I will see you on the next one. Bye now.